are you hitting the floor?
Mama, there is plenty of invisible dust mites and insects hiding on the floor.
And how do you know this?
My teacher told us in the class.
Oh yes, but do you know what? Your teacher is right. But your karate cannot eliminate all the dirt and dust mites. 1 second.
How?
You need an all-powerful Euroclean vacuum cleaner for deep and thorough cleaning. Try it. What looks clean to your eyes may not actually be clean. Dusting and mopping only displaces dust temporarily from your room. It does not eliminate millions of invisible dust mites breeding inside your home. Dust mites are microscopic, health-threatening creatures that hide in places where you least expect them. In pillows, mattresses, furniture, carpets, and even soft toys. And you know what? These dust mites feed on our dead skin that drops off during our sleep and on our sweat for moisture. If it goes unchecked, your family can be exposed to the risk of frequent colds, coughs, fever, asthma, and allergies that are caused by the droppings of these dust mites.
Dust in the house is more dangerous when you sweep up dust. It rises and spreads around. Dust mites, the real living harm that thrives in dust. Fungus, organic particles, the limbs of various flies, ants and insects, their excreta, food particles. A single gram of dust contains 18,000 to 19,000 mites, and a single female mite can lay 25 to 30 eggs at a time in 3 weeks. There could be 1 lakh mites in a single mattress. 70% of asthma patients suffer from mite infection. Mites also cause sneezing, rhinitis, and several other respiratory diseases.
So what looks clean may actually be unhealthy. It's time to change the way you think. Euroclean vacuum cleaners are designed for healthy living, offering a choice of models packed with power, convenience, and style. Its custom-designed powerful vacuuming and air filtration system is ideal for the Indian conditions of sticky dirt.